Hello everyone, my name is Xuchen Yao, a product manager at SeaX AI. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the SeaX as a normal contact center, which is using the Dialpad to receive inbound phone calls and make outbound phone calls. As you already know, SeaX can outreach to customers with large-scale phone calls, WhatsApp messages, and SMS. What if sometimes you call people in a large scale outbound phone call system, but they do not receive it, they do not pick it up, and then later they want to call you back, right? So sometimes you either have an AI agent to pick up the call, which can be serving you 24/7, or sometimes you're just sitting in front of the computer and then you want to be able to receive the call. So let's log in here and let me show you the dial pad right over here. Inside our SeaX workspace right over here, I got multiple different phone numbers. And as you can see, we have a dollar right over here. And also I have an agent status, putting myself as available. And finally, I also you can also communicate with your speakers, etc. So currently, I'll just put my computer speaker here, and then computer microphone. Let's use a different microphone since I'm videotaping here. Okay, right. So once this is all set up, right, you can go to workspace right here and go to your numbers to check whether your number is enabled for voice. So currently, as you can tell, I have some numbers enabled for WhatsApp. Some numbers, this is actually a SIP trunking in case that you have some old PSTN lines. And then finally, some numbers with SMS, MMS, and phone calls. The current number I have right over here is enabled for both short messages and phone calls. Let's do a demonstration. So now I have it over here. I also have my Google Voice number right over here, right? So now I'll just copy paste this number and I'll start calling. Okay. Once we have the calling started, you will hear the incoming call. Let me pick it up, and you might hear some echo here. Hello.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, hey.
Hi, hey.
Okay. During the call, you can press the keypad for whatever reason, and also you can mute yourself as well. And then you will hear less echo, right? So let me just hang up.
All agents are busy.
Right on there.
Please try again later.
Okay. Then after hang up, you can actually go to the call logs right over here to see all the incoming calls and outbound calls. Right. I also have this number registered in my contacts. So if you search this number, you would be able to find the name registered with this one, which is this number is actually also used as our WhatsApp number right in front of the SeaX AI customer service bot right over here. So this WhatsApp number, and then I can also use it as a Google Voice, and then this one calls in, right? Just to mark it as SeaX AI Google Voice number, and then that's it, right? So this is so far for the inbound calls. If you as an agent you want to make outbound call, you could actually do this as well, right? Just to open up the dial pad, and then I can just search SeaX AI if I want to make a call to them. So currently I got a couple of different numbers registered, and then I'll just select the WhatsApp number right over here, and then I can make a call right now, right? Then my Google Voice should be able to pick it up right over here. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
The same echo. Since I'm logged in from both PCs, just hang up right over here. Okay. What's really interesting is this. Sometimes you, as a human being, do not want to make the call yourself. So we have this little very convenient button. This one says $, and I mean just as a human, right? You can also use an AI agent to dial people. And for the AI agent, we actually have the other product called a SeaChat, which is an omni-channel a platform for making a chatbot and a voice bot, right? So we actually have the voice AI agent right over here. You could actually select all kinds of different voice AI agents, and then, for instance, like if you want to hire somebody with a job interview, you could actually select this agent, and then putting the number, and then start dialing, and then the voice AI agent would actually dial the number to the recipient on behalf of you, right? That's the other part of what we call a human AI native contact center solution. But this episode, we only focus on the human agent piece, right? Finally, I want to say that for each numbers right over here, you could do a few configurations. So if I go to numbers, let's find the final default number right over here. You can potentially assign multiple people over here. And this one also says the default inbound agent for SMS is human, and also the default inbound agent for phone calls would be human. You can also enable AI agent to answer the phone. So just in case someone else calls you and then you are not available, and then this can be transferred to an AI agent, and then you can select all your AI agents right over here, just as how you're doing the outbound phone calls as well, right? So under the hood, what if I'm not available, right? So if I'm not available or away or in a do not disturb mode, we actually do round robin calling. So suppose you got multiple agents here. If some of them are online, we're gonna ring each available agent in their least busy status for 10 seconds. If nobody picks up, we're gonna switch over to the next one. Okay, well, that's it. This has been a episode for using the Dialpad to make both inbound and outbound phone calls using SeaX, the omni-channel contact center solution with phone numbers, WhatsApp, and large-scale SMS campaigns. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next episode.